Hello everyone, it's Madi with Spectrum Art Creations, brand ambassador for Graphic45. I just received my box, and so I would figure I would jump on here and share with you the beautiful collections I received, starting with the Cafe Parisian, a gorgeous paper line which was retired and has been brought back out of the vault. Super excited about that because I only had a little bit left of my 12 by 12, which I've kind of been hoarding, but now I've got it in a 12 by 12 and an 8 by 8. Next, I chose the Charmed collection, a super fun Halloween paper line. So cute and adorable, very vintage and just whimsical, not a creepy Halloween at all. And I got the backgrounds for that as well as the 8 by 8. Next, I picked the Little Things collection. This is a brand new collection, one of the new releases. And oh, I am so in love with this paper line. I'm sure you will be too. It has all these beautiful butterflies and fairies and gnomes and just forest critters, just gorgeous. I loved it so much, as you can tell, that I got two 12 by 12s, and I've got the backgrounds, which are the the supplementary pads with the background pages. I also got two of the 8 by 8s. I've got the journaling cards. I've got the ephemera, and later on you will see that I even got the stamp set for it. I also got the stamp set for the Charm collection as well. I have so been loving their stamps. They're just perfect for creating your own tags or ATCs, or stamping on the corner of pages, or creating little pockets to add on to journals, etc. So received all those, and then of course on top of that, I am never happy. I can never have enough Graphic45 metal. So you know I stocked up on metal for sure. I got the corners, I've got keys, I've got clocks, I've got door pulls, I've got all kinds of amazing metal pieces. Graphic45 really does have some of the best metals out there. Not only the quality, but just the details as well. They are just absolutely stunning. So I had to stock up on metal because just about every project that I use has either some kind of feed or keys or corners or clocks from Graphic45. Now, as I mentioned, I did also get some stamps. You'll see that I got the Charmed stamp set, I got the Little Things stamp set, and I also got the brand new one also, the Let's Get Cozy stamp set. As an authorized Graphic45 retailer store, I have, of course, all of the collections in stock. So I had already selected the Let's Get Cozy and then some other collections too for upcoming projects from our stash, from our store. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put links down below where I'm going to break down all the collections, the Parisian, the Charmed, the the Little Things, and the Let's Get Cozy. I'm going to break all those down for you so you can actually see all of the pages and the full collection. So I'll be linking that in the description box down below. So if you'd like to see any of these collections in full, all of the pages, the ephemera, the journaling cards, the stamp sets, I will be linking those in the description box. And so this is my latest design team haul from Graphic45. I didn't get a chance to show you the one prior to this one, which was my Christmas haul. You know what? Maybe I'll do those paper lines as well, because I didn't get a chance to show you what I received and what is new. We've got the Nutcracker, we've got the Warm and Cozy, as I mentioned, we've got the, there's quite a few collections for Christmas, and they are all stunning. So I will come back and do a video for those as well and link it in the description box. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. I hope you guys liked everything I received, and I hope you are looking forward to seeing what I come up with and what amazing projects Graphic45 also inspires us to create don't forget to check out their channel because there are a lot of creative ideas on their videos, tutorials, tons of other talented creators as well. The design team this year is amazing. I am floored by all the things that they are making. So do check that out. Thank you so much for joining us in the studio today. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.